in this video, I'm going to explain you about vermiculture. Vermiculture is a process in which composting is done with the help of earthworms. This means that in this process, earthworms are added in the soil, and these earthworms degrade the waste material and convert it into compost. Children, from these two diagrams, you can observe that earthworms are present in the soil. Now, how these earthworms convert the waste materials into the useful manure? Children, the earthworms aerates, crushes and mixes the soil. Along with this, when earthworm moves inside the soil, I'm going to explain it to you with the help of a simple picture. Suppose this is the soil surface and this is the earthworm. As this earthworm goes inside the soil, it eats the soil. It takes the soil in, and from its anal end, it removes the soil. So this means that the excreta of earthworm is removed in the soil. So this excreta is called as vermicast. I'm going to write it here. VERMICAST. Children, this vermicast increases the nutrients of the soil, enriches the soil. So, vermiculture is a scientific process of cultivating earthworms or artificial rearing of worms to decompose organic food waste into nutrient-rich materials. Now, this process of producing compost using worm is called as vermicomposting. Children, you have already studied about composting, and I have told you that in composting, the biodegradable materials are degraded by the help of microorganisms. So children, here especially earthworms are used. Though the microorganisms are already present in the soil, they will also act, but earthworms are also present. So here especially they are used for increasing the nutrients of the soil to form the compost. That's why this process is called as vermicomposting. So I hope that now the difference between the vermiculture and vermicomposting is clear. Let me tell you it again. Vermiculture is a scientific process of cultivating earthworms, which is helpful to decompose the organic food waste into nutrient-rich material, whereas the process of producing compost using worm is called as vermicomposting. Now children, in vermiculture, earthworms are mixed with soil containing organic waste. They decompose the waste and convert it into manure. Now, the advantages of vermicomposting. Vermicompost is a natural fertilizer and eco-friendly, free from chemical impacts. Children, fertilizers are of two types, natural or organic fertilizers, and the other one is chemical fertilizers. Chemical fertilizers means we are adding the fertilizers in the chemical form. So these chemical fertilizers, when used in excess of amount, they harm the quality of the soil and they also affect the environment badly. So vermicompost is a process by which, or we say the vermicomposting is the process. Vermicompost is a natural fertilizer and that is eco-friendly. Therefore, it doesn't harm the soil. Now, the second point is vermicompost does not impact the environment, soil and plants adversely. Third point is it improves the soil's water retention capacity because of higher organic matter. Children, the water retention capacity of the soil improves by the addition of organic matter. Because if there will be less organic matter, then the crusting of soil will occur. Crusting of soil means we can see fine lines in the soil, and that crusting is because of the rain or and if organic matter is present in less amount. So when the organic matter increases inside the soil, or we say that the compost or the manure is increased inside the soil, it increases the water holding capacity of the soil. The fourth one is it improves the nutrients of the soil. As I have told you that biodegradable materials are converted, the waste materials are converted into compost, so therefore they are increasing the nutrient content of the soil. Then better nutrient absorption and root growth are promoted by it. because nutrients are present in higher amount and therefore a proper development of plant will occur in that type of soil. So children, in this video I have told you about vermiculture. Vermiculture is the process in which composting is done with the help of earthworms, और we say it is a scientific process of cultivating earthworms. यानी कि ये एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है, वर्मी कल्चर का मतलब होता है कि हम इसमें earthworms को कल्टिवेट कर रहे हैं, आर्टिफिशियल रियरिंग कर रहे हैं उनकी, और वो ऑर्गेनिक फूड वेस्ट को न्यूट्री रिच मटेरियल्स में डिकम्पोज कर देता है. और ये जो प्रोसेस होता है जिससे हम कंपोस्ट बनाते हैं वर्म को यूज़ करके, इस प्रोसेस को हम कहते हैं वर्मी कंपोस्टिंग. वर्मी कल्चर में अर्थवर्म्स को हम सॉइल में मिक्स कर देते हैं ऑर्गेनिक वेस्ट के साथ, और वो वेस्ट को मैन्योर में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं. एडवांटेजेस क्या होते हैं वर्मी कंपोस्टिंग के? वर्मी कंपोस्ट जो प्रोड्यूस होता है इस प्रोसेस से, दैट इज़ अ नेचुरल फर्टिलाइज़र, और वो इको फ्रेंडली होता है, उसका कोई भी केमिकल साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स नहीं होते हैं. वर्मी कंपोस्ट का कोई भी इम्पैक्ट जो है वो बुरा नहीं होता एनवायरनमेंट पे, सॉइल पे या प्लांट्स पे. ये सॉइल की वाटर रिटेंशन कैपेसिटी को बढ़ा देता है और न्यूट्रिएंट्स का अमाउंट भी इंक्रीज़ कर देता है, और जितना ज़्यादा अच्छे से न्यूट्रिएंट प्रेजेंट होगा, अब्जॉर्ब होगा, रूट की ग्रोथ भी उतनी ही अच्छे से होगी, और जितनी अच्छे से रूट होगी उतना प्रॉपर वाटर और मिनरल्स जो हैं वो प्लांट को मिलेगा. सो चिल्ड्रन, दैट्स ऑल अबाउट वर्मी कल्चर. थैंक यू.